Welcome to our bonfire fireworks night out. Is this going to be video?
Yeah, where are you going?
Fireworks! This goes to Castle and Sweet! The fireworks light at 7:30 p.m.
And where have we come to watch them? Where? And are you excited? Colby, are you excited to see fireworks? Yeah? Megan, are you excited to see fireworks? Are you even more excited to go on the bouncy castle? Yeah? Is there any bogies?
Celebrations at 5:30 p.m. The fireworks competition. We're waiting in the queue for the bouncy castle.
Off from my home, we're flying up no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet, feel that hot blood in my back. So stop that. Nowhere to
That's it. Hi Daisy. Daddy, where have we come to tonight? Hey? We've come to Exbury Cricket Club fireworks night, haven't we? We're going to see a bonfire and the fireworks later, and your sisters keep running off. They're having fun. Are they having fun? Yeah? Is that you? Yeah, they've been on the bouncy castle. They've had glow sticks. Can't find the face painting at the minute though. And we can't find the Guy Fawkes either. I think they're already on top of the bonfire. We're stood in the line for the candy floss, aren't we, Daisy? It's a bit big. Goes all the way down to that orange tent. Nice.
I took some of yours, Megan. I took some.
You enjoying your candy floss?
Uh-huh.
Yeah? Is it bigger than your head?
Whoa! That was bigger than my head. Whoa, it's all really on fire. Where's the fire? The fireworks are very loud.
Stop.
This is the biggest bonfire I've ever seen. The fireworks are beautiful. There were so many, it went on for longer than half an hour. I really enjoyed the beautiful night out. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.